Hello everyone, this is Ashmita and welcome to Civil Center. In today's video, we are going to discuss about estimation. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. So, in this estimation course, basically it is G plus 1 building estimation and the topics which we are going to cover are study of architectural drawing and structural plan, preparation of BOQ which is bill of quantity, BBS of structural members which is bar binding schedule and market rate analysis. Then we will discuss the scope of an estimator. After that, we will know about what is estimation and the types of estimation, role of an estimator, what are the official data required for estimation. So, the estimation is the probable quantity of a work and is determined therefore mathematical calculation based on the drawing and current rates. So friends, that was the bookish language of what is estimation. Estimation basically gives an idea of the cost of work, time required for the completion of work, and estimate decides whether the proposed plan matches the funds available or not. Next, we will come to types of estimation. First is rough estimate, second is detailed estimate. Next, we will see what are the roles of an estimator. Collecting post materials, which is very important for estimate, and equipment and labor. Second is preparing and submitting quotation for work, helping with bids for few new contracts and supporting buying activities. Next is monitoring the stages of a project to make sure that quantity and costs are kept in line with forecast. Next, we will see the constructional steps which are involved in estimation. First is piling work. Preparing and submitting. First is piling work. Here you can see with the help of image, these are the piling works. Next point we have excavation, which is another very important point. You can see with the help of image, the excavation going on. Here also you can see excavation of foundation has been done. Next is disposal of soil, which comes out when we excavate the land. Next, sand filling. Here you can see with the help of image, sand filling is been done. Next is PCC. Here you can see the PCC has been done. Next is our RCC. These are the RCC works. Next is our shuttering. You will study later on while doing estimate. You will calculate the quantity of shuttering. Here you can see these are the shuttering of columns. Next is our another most important part which is steel reinforcement. Here you can see these are the steel reinforcement. These are the steel reinforcement of a staircase. Here you can see these are the plinth beams and these are the columns. Next is our periphery wall. We provide periphery wall because if we are constructing a building at a certain height, then we will have to do sand filling over there. Like this, you can see in the image here these are the sand filling in between the periphery wall. These are the periphery wall and the most important point why we provide periphery wall because to hold this sand. Next is our 10-inch wall. 10-inch brick wall. Here you can see these are the 10-inch brick wall that we provide at the outer side of our house. Next is our 5-inch wall. Here you can see these are the 5-inch brick wall. Next is our inner plaster. By name itself, you can know the plaster is being done in the inner side of the house. This is the slab plaster. You can see in the image the labor are plastering the slab. Here is our outer plaster which we provide at the outer part of the building. In the staircase, we provide plaster which comes under running meter. Okay, now without wasting any time, we will move to our plan which is G plus 1 building plan. So friend, this is the architectural plan of the G plus 1 building and this plan is of one of our client Mr. Sanjay Bhuya who is living in foreign country and has a land in Bhubaneswar, Moja, and the requirement of the client was 2 BHK. In this ground floor plan, the area is 1620 square feet, approx 1620 square feet, which includes two number of toilets, one kitchen and two bedrooms, drawing room, again one kitchen and toilet. So here you can see the bedroom. Here is two bedroom and two toilets, one kitchen, dining room. This is another bedroom, toilet, attached toilet, one kitchen plus living area, and this is the portico and this is the staircase. So basically this plan consists of 2 BHK and here is 1 BHK. Okay friends, this is all for ground floor. Let's move into the first floor. So friends, this is the first floor of that plan. Here you can see there is two bedrooms, two toilets and one dining room, kitchen room. Here is also one bedroom, attached toilet, open kitchen. This is the drawing room and this is the staircase and this is another bedroom attached balcony. Okay friends, this is all for architectural plan and let's move on structural drawing. So, friend, this is the architectural drawing of that plan. Here you can see this is the foundation layout of that plan and this is the beam layout, plinth beam layout of that plan. This is the plinth beam layout of that plan and here is the roof beam. Next we have here you can see this is the pile foundation and here is the pile cap, two pile cap, three pile cap and this is the longitudinal section of the plinth beam and this is the cross section of that plinth beam. This is the cross section of this beam and this is the longitudinal section of the roof slab. Here you can see this is the schedule of plinth beam. With the help of this table, you can know the size of plinth beam and how the reinforcement we are going to provide. Okay friends, this is all for this video. We will study the next part in our next video. Till then, thank you and bye.